Fix your hair.
Because I had a good teacher. I learned about more than cars.
Silly.
Doing
Silly. Fix your hair.
I'm taking care of my engine and the environment. So I have something to pass down.
Silly.
Give me the Mustang.
Silly.
No, you're. I didn't bury the Mustang.
Introducing Valvoline Next Gen. Recycled oil made from a breakthrough process to exceed industry standards and match Valvoline's superior quality. Backed by the Valvoline Engine Guarantee Program, it's 50% recycled oil, 100% Valvoline protection.
Back in our Atlanta studio, Greg, take us through that inbound play.
You know, keep an eye right here on Shane Battier. He's a great defensive player. You got Tim Duncan on the pin down. Gary Neal's coming up. Shane Battier, Tim Duncan, go ahead and roll it, cannot hurt you in this situation. You got to get out here. You can jump that play. And the fact you allow him to catch it at that point, folks, you cannot take a chance on the foul.
Say cheese.
Hey, cheese.
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 Cheese. Cheese.
Mama. Mama.
What? We're sincere. Sincere.
What's sincere?
We're sincere.
Oh, it's sincere.
Focus and concentration. You have the best three-point shooter on that team, but the best power forward that's played in a long time. And so, yeah, you follow him. You know, I knew he was going to be that type of decoy, but you're right. Jump out, make that switch, stop that play. Let's see what happens.
Say bye-bye.